how to download and install Facebook Messenger Lite. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So in the Google Play Store, if you search for the Messenger Lite, then you won't be able to find any kind of Messenger Lite app. As you can see here, there are no any Messenger Lite app. So in order to download the Messenger Lite, you need to go to your browser. Here I am opening up Google Chrome. In the search bar, you have to tap and search for Messenger Lite. And by searching for it, you'll be able to see the list of links and apps over here. Among them, you have to scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see the download Messenger Lite option. So click over there. And as you can see, there are two options. You can free APK download and you can also download from Google Play. So you can tap on install from Google Play option and you'll be opened up to Google Play, and from over here you can install it in your device. So by following this simple step, you can download and install Facebook Messenger Lite. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.